Hi educators, welcome to the Google Tool Masterclass. And I'm here to put you through. My name is Fatima Audu, Tech Teachers. Let's plunge in. So quickly, this workshop is going to cover the Google Tools on Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Mail, Google Forms, and Google Hangouts. So I'll be starting with Google Docs. I've already opened the file, so quickly let's go to the Google Docs. Now, why should you use Google Docs? What are your reasons for using Google Docs? You will never have to hit save again. All the words you type in Google Docs are automatically saved to your drive. The real-time collaborator features in Google Docs gives you a lifetime storage. It comes with free templates and it has instant feedback with chat and comments. You can access your docs anytime, anywhere, and from just any device. Now you'll be wondering why I'm not using a system. I'm not using a system, I'm using a tablet. This is because teachers always find excuse for not using system. They say they don't have system, they can't afford it, or they don't know how to use it. So I'm using a tablet now, and you can see that what you do in on your system, you can also do it on the tablet. So quickly, I'm going to highlight the features of what you can see. Now you have the file. Okay. These are the templates. It has different templates, and this is my drive. You can see that I have a lot of work I have done with Google Docs. So we're going to start with a blank document. Now I'm going to explain each features. The untitled document, you need to give it a title. So let me say practice, or let me call it practice. I think I have something like practice here. Practice document. Great. So you can see the features on each of these documents. I'm going to take my time to explain each of them for you. Now we look at file. Now the first thing there we have on file is the share button. That is where you can share after editing your document. You can share it to your social media platforms or WhatsApp, Telegram. You can say open, maybe you want to open. Then you have make a copy. This will make a duplicate copy in your drive. You can copy other files as well as your own. Download as. Now this download as, you could download your document in various formats, including docs and PDF. Email as attachment. You send it as an email and you attach the document to the email and send it to who you want to send it to. Then you have version history. This will allow you to see who has made changes, what they changed, and a timestamp. You can also restore older versions and new versions as you progress. It is great for making sure every student is contributing and when text is accidentally deleted. Now this is good for collaboration in the classroom among learners. Then we have the publish to web. You can rename it. If you don't want the name again, you could rename it, move to trash, or move to another location. Then we have publish to web. This publish to web, you could turn your document into a web page, even get the embedded code to add to your website if you have a website. Then we have the page setup. You can use this to change the orientation, the margins, add a background color, and more with the page setup. So this is this with the file button. You go to edit, you want to start typing. You go to view. If you want to view it either in full screen, the print layout, or the mode, either in the presentation mode or normal mode. Now under the insert menu, we have image. You could insert an image from your computer, search the web for images, add from images in your drive, Google Photos, or by URL, or take a picture with your webcam. You could also insert table. You select number of columns and rows and insert a table. You could insert drawing. This tool allows you to create your own images, graphic organizers, text boxes, using a pop-up version of Google Drawings, and insert into your document. Then you also have insert an equation. Use the equation editor to insert an equation and other mathematical symbols into your document. So you could add either division, symbols of division, addition, multiplication, subtraction into your document, as if you're trying to explain or you're writing a lesson note for a math class. Then you could insert header and page number. You could insert a header, footer, page number, and page count. Okay, so then you have the link. This is the link you can share to your social media platforms. You could share it on your web page, and you could also share it maybe to your Facebook posts or Twitter, Instagram, directing people to this document if you've written something that you want the public to see. Then the format, this has to do with the features at the top here, the size, the text font, the background, every other thing. Then we look at tools. Spelling. It checks spelling. It runs a spell check, underline errors, and adds special words to your personal dictionary. Then we have the word count. It counts the words you type. Review suggested edits. Explore. You could search the web without leaving the document. You could also search your drive files, insert citations, references, get recommendations based on the content of your document. Dictionary. You could search the dictionary to view definitions and parts of speech. Voice typing. The moment you click on this, Google Docs gives you permission or asks permission to access your microphone and dictate right into your document. So this is just a kind of speech to text. As you talk, it types, making your work easy. Then preferences. Set your preferences for common actions in your document, like automatically capitalizing words. Okay. Then we have the add-ons that you could have add-ons that you could add to your documents. Then we're also going to look at the main toolbar. We have the undo and the redo. Let me resize it. Okay, so you have the undo and the redo button. You have the prints, that is the second symbol there. You have the paint format. Google Documents lets you copy the formatting you've applied to a specific section of text to another section using the paint format tool. We have the zoom, that's this 100% here, that's zoom. So to what percentage do you want it to be visible? Then beside it we have styles. Now the style creates headings, titles, and table of content. In case you are writing a document or something you want to draw the attentions of your learners to. Okay, so what's happening? Okay. So quickly, I'm explaining some of the features that you could get. Okay, it's trying to connect. Then we have the bold, the italics, the underline. You could choose any one you want. You have the formats, the size of your font. I have 11 here. 11 is acceptable. However, you could change it if you don't want it. Then you could insert a link. Maybe a link to another document that you've written before, or to a source that you want your learners to get more information from. Then you could add comments. You could insert image. The plus sign here means that you could add. Why is this thing doing like this? Okay, so you could have something like this, my best friend, and then you could start adding pictures to it. So if you want to add pictures, you click on insert and start adding pictures to it. I'm going to show that briefly in my next video. Stay tuned.